that sexy bike. Oh yeah. It's like turning the Titanic. What's going on, everybody? SRTA Boost here, out for another ride. I got the one and only with me at Nick Full Throttle. We're just going for a nice fall ride. We actually have a work meeting after this, but so I said, all right, let's take the bike. Anywho, so yeah, and here we go, just, you know, starting the moto vlog off at a red light. Fucking awesome. Anyway, it's in November, and it's like 24 degrees Celsius outside. So I think in the Fahrenheit, I think that's, you know, don't quote me on this, but I'm thinking like the 70s or something like that. Anyway, either way, it's a really nice friggin' day. So I was like, okay, gotta kind of take advantage of this. You're limited, right? Before you gotta start wearing the cold gear. Because, you know, I'm that crazy asshole that, you know, if there's no snow and no salt, I'm out. I'm on the road. It's awesome. We pay way too much in insurance here to just let your bike sit in the garage. So, you know, unlike, we're going to say, Nick's bike there, the Harley V-Rod, that's a whole different ball game. Like, if I had that, I probably wouldn't ride that in cold weather. It's like you have literally no fucking control over where the wind goes and everything, you know. You're stuck in that position. So, I mean, he's being shy. He doesn't want to come and say hi. That's okay. We'll force him. Ooh, nice. Never heard of that company, TCE, but I'd rock one of those. One day, gonna have that part of the arsenal for sure. Must be building a condo. Anyway, so our end game is to get over to that 19 side road again. It was, you know, not so far, and it's nice, right? It's just an all-around nice road. So. Yeah, see, they switched this lane over here used to be, oh, look who I got beside me. Yeah, see, there you got to say hi. Anyway. Huh. Actually looks alright. Anyway, yeah, so we're gonna head out to 19th and check it out. We'll get you guys back when we're kind of out of the chaos. Alright, we're out of the chaos. A little more wide open now. Oh, better shut that. Okay. Yeah, I'm hoping to see some nice fall colors, you know. I know I go down and up and down this road quite a bit. It's beautiful. Love it. I know you guys like windy turns and all that stuff. I know that's what this bike is made for. I totally get that, guys. But if I had roads that were closer to me that were like that, and I didn't need to plan like the whole day to get there, I'd be on them all the time. Any chance I got, I would be on them. But like, I love this bike for what it is. It's literally almost like a dirt bike for the road, man. That's what I'm used to. That's the world I come from, you know. So it's like I'm at home. So it doesn't really matter where you ride it. It's, are you enjoying it, you know? Which I am. Camera fucking check. You guys are still there. That's good. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm literally wearing my mesh Ducati jacket today. Well, it's technically called a textile, but there's mesh on it, in a sense, where it's like super breathable. And I am actually very comfortable. It's fucking sweet. Awesome. Might as well enjoy it before I get stuck behind somebody. You see this road right here? This guy? You know how many times I see a cop parked there? My God. It was like, you come flying down that hill, in which, you know, you're from this area, you all are fucking guilty of it. I don't want to hear about it. Oh, sorry. Gross. Just kind of getting over a cold. Anywho, you come flying over that road and there's a cop sitting there, you're fucked. You are absolutely fucked. Yeah, you could not ask for a better day than this. This is great. Oh, it's a nice entrance feature. Very cool. You know what? These guys are driving at an alright pace. It could be worse. We could be doing like 60 kilometers an hour. Fucking, that would suck. Sorry. Yeah, I had this cold. It was like, it was weird. It started in my chest first, worked its way up to my nose. It's like an opposite world. Usually it starts in your head, like a head cold. You know, hey, I smoke, right? So it eventually, you know, likes to trickle its way down to your friggin' chest. But I don't know. Odd. You fucking really made me stop, you prick. Fucking send her a little. God, man, I love the way those SC1s fucking sound. So great. Hey, you know what's funny? I didn't even take out the little, they're like resonators that are fucking built in. And unfortunately, I know I said this in one of my other videos, but they had like, they used to be able to just, you know, unscrew them and you could take them out. Now the way they do them, you have to drill holes in the carbon fiber, then drill out the fucking rivet. Now who the fuck's drilling holes in my carbon fiber? I fucking paid all that money for titanium and carbon fiber. That's insane. I can't believe they did that. Paid a fucking lightsaber. Just melt it out. Just melt it out. Well, if they were around and were an actual real thing, which I'm sure they are, hidden away somewhere in the government's fucking black sites. Oh, here we go. We're at Dufferin. So, sweet. Mr. Nicky. Ah, yeah, he sent it a little bit. All right. Oh, that's a sick garage. I know my last bike video there, no, it wouldn't have been my last. Probably about maybe 3 ago. Bike video though. I think I took you guys down this road. Obviously these are all pre-recorded. It's like just the amount of vehicles and stuff that I recorded and you know, time, guys, right? So that's the biggest one. Oh, hello, horsies. Yeah, time is the tough one. Woo! All right. Okay, we are on 19th. Yeah, it's a beautiful little area here. Really like it. Yep, blowed out your ass. That is totally not even my speed. Radars don't fucking work for shit. You can't really send it down this road, unfortunately. It's so fucking... You come around the corner and there's a cop there, so you're finished. You're finished. So, whatever. Still nice to ride down. You know, instead of my straight friggin' streets all the time. I know you guys make fun of me all the time. Woo! Biker buddy. Oh, squirrel. Yeah, so in the headset I got Sirius XM on, and currently right now playing is like a big mix of actually disco house, which my era, like in my teens, that really got big. Like when I started going to nightclubs and stuff, it was like, that's all it was. Everything was disco house. I was like, they did like a whole bunch of remakes, like you know, they even did like Michael Jackson. There was a couple, there was a whole bunch. It was just beautiful. Good music. Really, you know, it's got a good vibe to it. Wants to, you know, make you dance, right? So, good shit. This guy drives his TRX like a little bitch. Yeah. Great buy, buddy. Look at that sexy bike. Oh yeah. It's like turning the Titanic. Alright, in reverse. Okay, I'm not going to redo the whole thing though. Actually going to turn on that road that I just saw over there. I actually brought you guys up that road. I forgot. All right. And it smells like eggs outside. This is such a sick ass road, man. Fuck. Wish we had more like this around me. It'd be awesome. Okay, get right back to you. Alright, just had to have a little chit chat with Mr. Nick. He loved the road. And again, it's yeah, we had a little talk. We both don't get out that often, right? So sorry, not out that often. He doesn't get out that often, and when he does, we're just going like straight roads. It's not kind of, again, limited, right? So it's like, it's a treat, right? Especially towards the end of the season like this. Well, for him. How sexy that fucking thing is, eh? Yeah. Well, he loves the camera. It's just so fucking nice. Like 3 o'clock and it's so nice out. I cannot believe this in November. It's so cool. Way back in the day, I remember some Novembers we got snow. We got fucking snow in November sometimes. Or like last November, for example, which I was still taking the bike out. Of course, my fucking snowmobile helmet on, which is absolutely hilarious, but anywho. It was cold. It was cold last November. It was actually our coldest month up here in Ontario. It was like, we were in the minuses from time to time. I think the coldest we got was like -10, and like, it wasn't bad. Wasn't bad. The rest of the months, like, in January we had like days that were 16, 19. It's like insane, man. Fucking insane. Police didn't even notice us. Better that way. What the fuck kind of tower is that? That is a weird looking one. Yeah, I have no idea what that is. It's got some form of instrumentation up on the top, but... Yep, no blue. Oh, where does this go? Oh, golf club. Alright. All these stupid things I don't even notice. Usually, like how many times I come down this road. That's the Hoy. It's actually pretty funny. Alright. Anyway, guys, I'm going to cut it here. And I will see you next time. It's SRTA Boost signing off. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I really hope you enjoyed the video. And I appreciate all your feedback you give me. Good, bad, doesn't matter. It's all good. And the likes. And I just appreciate everything, especially the views. Like, thank you. Thank you, guys. I'm glad you're enjoying the content. Anyway, we'll see you soon.